training philosophy, science, and Quranic wisdom give the following to human social life. Philosophy accepts power as its foundation in the life of society. It believes that its goal is benefits. The principle of life it recognizes is conflict. It holds the bond between societies to be racism and negative nationalism. Its fruits are to satisfy the soul's appetite and increase human needs. But the mark of power is aggression. The mark of benefit, because they are insufficient for every desire, is pushing and wrestling. While the mark of conflict is war. And the mark of racism, because it is nourished by swallowing others, is aggression. It is for these reasons that it has denied humanity's happiness. As for Quranic wisdom, its foundation is truth instead of power. It takes virtue and Allah's pleasure as its goals instead of benefits. It takes the principle of mutual aid as the principle of life instead of the principle of conflict. And it takes the bonds of religion, class, and country to be the bonds that bind societies together. Its purpose is to form a barrier against the soul's desires, to urge the spirit to sublime things, to satisfy the high emotions, and to urge man to the human perfections, to make him a true man. And the mark of truth is consistency. The mark of virtue is solidarity. The mark of mutual aid is to hasten to help each other. The mark of religion is brotherhood and attraction. And the mark of taming and binding the soul and leaving the spirit free and urging it to perfection is happiness in this world and the next.